Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today's video is in collaboration with Sue of Discovering the Art of Living. For this Christmas season, she's hosting 12 Christmas movie theme collaboration. And this is open to everyone who wants to participate, and you just have to visit her channel and read the rules. And for each movie theme, there is a special hashtag playlist. And all you have to do is, after you have finished viewing my video, you can click on the hashtag to see other people who are participating in the playlist. Let me tell you, you'll see a lot of creative content. Just some people like to draw, some people like to show the paintings, and some people like to do DIY like me. So yeah, I'm hoping that you would watch all of the playlist. So as a part of the class collab, I'm going to use these two tin containers, and I'm going to decorate these two tin containers using red felt roll and also one of the shiny sheets, which is actually having some adhesive on the back. So I'm going to use this, as well as the badge holder, and this has got like some beautiful silver stones on top of it, so I'm going to use this also. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the final result of the project, guys. So this is inspired by Claus movie. In that movie, a postman delivers the letters to Santa, and then he actually gives the gifts to the children. So that is theme that I wanted to bring in this project. So this is one of the tin can. So for this tin can, I wrapped one of the red felt and I stuck belt, black and gold, and also one of the automobile fabric that I gave it like a fuzzy top part of the Santa's outfit. So, and I also made a small hat from one of the paper or cardboard paper, and then I stuck felt and also one of the pom-pom on top to give like a hat, Santa's hat. And I cut some of the the packaging stuff, and I made like a small letters. I wrote like to Santa and Claus and things like that, if you can see. So this is a container which holds the letters to Santa, and this is one of the Santa's sleigh with gifts on it. And I stuck one of the snowflake to give like a winter effect to it, and some Christmas trees. So this is how I'm going to decorate for this Claus collab. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.